Transcorp Hotels, Nigeria's leading hotel, visited the Nigeria capital market for its initial public offering of 800 million at 50 kobo for 10 naira per share. This is part of the expansion plan of the company, which is building a 300-bedroom hotel project in Lagos and also a 250-bedroom hotel in Port Harcourt.
Provide the contacts. Our company, Transcorp Hotels Plc, of course, is the premier hospitality company in Nigeria. We started well over, the hotel in Abuja started over 26 years ago, and in 2005, privatization happened. That's when Transcorp Plc bought into the hotel as a core investor. With government also still remaining as a shareholder, representing government on the board is Baban Mohammed of PPE, and two other important members, including the DG of PPE. The company is raising 8 billion naira through initial public offer, and the intention is to use this to develop new hospitality projects, one in Lagos and one in Port Harcourt.
For Lagos, it will be a 300-room hotel with all the facilities you can imagine, from leisure to business, and including spa and conferencing facilities. It's going to be world class, it's going to be 5-star, and it's going to be the best in Lagos in a long time to come. It's going to be jointly owned by both Transcorp Hotels Plc and Hess Holdings Limited, the owners of the land. The details are also provided in terms of how much we're going to deploy, and we intend to start this year in terms of groundbreaking and 3 years to deliver. So 2017, each of these two hotels will be fully operational. Port Harcourt, like I mentioned earlier, is going to be a 250-room hotel, and we've also delivered by 2017 to be managed again by Hilton Worldwide.
Mr. Valentine Ozigbo, the Managing Director and CEO of Transcorp Hotels, used the opportunity at the facts behind the offer at the Nigerian Stock Exchange to intimate the investment community on the projections and the future of Transcorp Hotels.
Looking into the future, you will see how we've projected to progress this company from revenue of about 16.8 billion to double, triple in another 10 years. And these are very carefully designed. These are not just numbers, they are numbers with meaning, because the strategy are already fine-tuned and we're already executing. So this is just to raise funding to help accelerate. So our PBT figure at some point will be higher than our turnover. In fact, that will happen in about 2020. And you will see that we will continue to maintain EBIT margin and other core indices of measurement. Valuation, a couple of valuation models were used, and how we arrived at 10 naira, and we think it was very reasonably put. And in fact, the excitement I'm getting is that what people are worried about is, are they going to get up to what they subscribe for? But we'll leave that for another day. I also have my financial advisors who have put together a detailed valuation model. In case of any of you may want more detail, we're ready to provide all the clarification you need. But basically, we use both the discounted cash flow, PE ratio, and the total enterprise value to ascertain the, eventually averaged all of these three to arrive at the 10 naira per share that you see.
It was also an opportunity for him to share why Transcorp Hotels was a viable company to invest in.
So what should be your key imperatives to decide on whether to invest or not? We have a very strong and efficient balance sheet. We have tremendous growth potential. It's also we have diversified products, both in terms of location, and also we have very strong governance. We have We have the best hotel in Nigeria. Last year, we won World Travel Awards, leading hotel in Nigeria. This year, in November, we will be in London to collect another award from World Travel Awards.
Mr. Zibo speaks further on the impact of the IPO on the ownership structure.
It has no impact on the ownership of Transcorp Plc, but it will have marginal impact on the ownership of Transcorp Hotels Plc, because we're offering only 10% of our ordinary shares to the public, and therefore there will be 10% dilution.
As well as what will be the fate of existing shareholders, considering the fact that new shareholders will be subscribing to the investment.
When we come on to the market, we would use this proceeds to grow, and so there will be a shareholder of a bigger pie. So that's what is in it for them. And for those who are coming, clearly, like I usually joke, but I'm actually very serious about it. When you buy into this, beyond the economic reason, is a hotel to be proud of. It's a hotel that when you walk in, you're not just a guest anymore. You're an owner guest, and that is impactful. If we're all emotional beings, and because of the care that we put in managing people, managing the expectations of people, that's an important element, and because now they're going to be treated even much more specially. And so I encourage a lot of people to buy, and like I fully articulated, there is a strong reason to buy, not because of the fact that we are the premier and most profitable and are judged the best hotel in Nigeria. It means we have a formula that works, and all we're doing is replicate success. So if we've been successful what we've done over the years, there's no gainsaying that whatever we'll do, especially in a Lagos market that's even bigger than Abuja market, that has been expecting us for many years, or Porako market that is the base for oil city in Nigeria. So for me, I don't need to think about it. It's going to be a success, and so come be part of that success. That's all.
Transcorp Hotels IPO, opening September 25th to end on October 17th, should bring another level of optimism and participation in the market, which in overall will drive deeper activity.